Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia bread espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to disassemble the entire machine in order for us to get to this part right here. This is the old board of the machine. This was preventing the machine from turning on at all. Right now, as you can see, it's on. So the new board is definitely working, and in order for us to install this, we really had to remove this panel, which is not that hard because this one comes all the way up, and there's like 4 screws over here. We just need to remove it. The hardest part is getting into the board and removing all these wires each individually and putting it all back together. So yeah, we just did that. And right now we're gonna be testing the machine. Starting with one shot over test. Then we're gonna be using the steamer and then the hard part. It's running perfectly. It's running to the brew unit. Pre-infusion and extraction. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Excellent color as well. Perfect quantity too. Great shot of espresso. Power for this machine, as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the one. Great pressure. And steam once it's brewed. The thermal gauge reaches temperature, we're going to be able to see it coming out from the steamer one. Once the thermal block reaches that temperature, the pump will start pulsating water into the thermal block and it will come out of the steamer one rotating. Right now it's at full pressure, working perfectly fine, achieving temperature. Burning out high speed, perfect. So there you have it, Gaggia bread working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to the channel, like the video and hit that bell.